You know what's strange? Most people think earning more money automatically means living a better life. But here's the irony. The moment their income doubles, their lifestyle triples. Arjun, when he got his first job, he earned $800 a month. He dreamed of the day he'd make $4,000. He thought that would solve all his problems. Fast forward 5 years, he is earning that much. Yet he's more stressed, more in debt, and further from financial freedom than ever before. Sounds familiar? Maybe you know an Arjun. Maybe you are one. So what's really going on here? Why do people keep running faster on this financial treadmill, yet stay in the same place? And more importantly, how do the rich escape this cycle while everyone else sinks deeper? In this video, I'm going to break down why most people stay broke even after earning more, and how you can escape that trap. You'll learn the mindset that rich people use to multiply income and the framework to finally make your money work for you, not against you. If you're ready to break through barriers and achieve greatness, hit that subscribe button. We're here to support your journey to success. Let's start unraveling this paradox. Reason number 1. Lifestyle inflation is an automatic leak in your wealth tank. Imagine this. You get a raise at work. You tell yourself, finally, I deserve better now. You move into a bigger apartment. You buy the new iPhone. You start dining out more often. It feels like progress, but financially, it's a trap. This is what experts call lifestyle inflation, when your expenses rise just as fast as your income. And the dangerous part? You don't even notice it happening. Let's say someone starts making $10,000 more a year. Instead of investing in an index fund or a dividend-paying ETF, they reward themselves. New car, vacations, subscription upgrades. Before long, they're living paycheck to paycheck again, just at a higher level. The real wealth builders play it differently. Every time their income goes up, they increase their savings and investment rate, not their lifestyle. They automatically transfer money into investments that grow, like S&P 500 index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate that generates rental income. So here's a question. Would you still buy it if no one could see it? If the answer is no, you're buying status, not progress. Number 2, debt for pleasure, the quickest way to stay broke. Most people use debt like it's free money. They swipe the credit card for a new phone, take loans for vacations, or buy cars they can't afford, just to feel successful. But here's the harsh truth. That kind of debt steals from your future self. Every payment you make is money that could have been earning compound interest in an investment account. Imagine this. Instead of paying $500 a month on a car loan, what if you invested that in a dividend ETF with a 7% annual return? Over time, that's not just cash, it's freedom. But when you use debt for show, you chain yourself to monthly payments that never stop. Smart people use debt too, but for a different reason. They borrow to buy income-producing assets like a rental property or a small business. That's called good debt because it puts money in your pocket. Bad debt does the opposite. It takes money out. The rule is simple. If it doesn't make you money or save you time, don't finance it. Reason number 3. They mistake high income for wealth. Earning more doesn't mean you're rich. It just means you're making money faster. Wealth, on the other hand, is how much you keep and how well it grows. Take 2 people. One earns $150,000 a year but spends $140,000. The other earns $70,000 but invests $20,000 in index funds and dividend stocks every year. Guess who retires earlier? The second one, every single time. The truth is, income is just a tool. Wealth is built when you convert that income into assets that generate cash flow. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or side businesses. If you earn $10,000 and spend $9,900,000, you're not rich. You're one unexpected bill away from broke. But if you earn $5,000 and invest $1,000 every month in ETFs or growth stocks, you're buying freedom. Number 4, they chase fast money instead of smart money. People love shortcuts. They want the next big thing. Crypto booms, meme stocks, penny stock tips, anything that promises quick profits. But here's the problem. When you chase fast money, you often end up with no money. The rich aren't chasing hype. They're building systems. They spread their wealth across a diversified portfolio, index funds, blue-chip dividend stocks, REITs, bonds, and sometimes real estate. It's not exciting, but it works. Because wealth isn't built from one big win. It's built from consistent compounding. Don't aim to get rich overnight. Aim to never go broke again. Every time you hear about a hot investment, ask yourself, would a billionaire bet his retirement on this? If not, maybe you shouldn't either. Slow money is smart money, and smart money always wins in the long run. Number 5. They never build passive income. Active income is what you earn when you work. Passive income is what you earn when you sleep. Most people only focus on the first one. They keep trading hours for money. The problem? You only have 24 hours in a day. The rich, however, focus on building systems that make money without them being there. They invest in dividend stocks that pay every quarter, rental properties that create monthly cash flow, and online businesses that sell while they sleep. Here's a reality check. If your income stops the day you stop working, you're not financially free, you're financially fragile. Building passive income doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with one small step. Set up an automatic transfer every month into an ETF, mutual fund, or dividend-paying stock. Reinvest the dividends. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Your job pays your bills, your investments buy your freedom. Reason number 6. They don't know where their money goes. You can't control what you don't track. Most people don't even know where half their income disappears. They just hope there's something left at the end of the month. Spoiler, there never is. Think of your money like water in a pipe. If you don't know where the leaks are, you'll always be thirsty, no matter how high the water pressure gets. Wealthy people treat their income like a business. They know exactly how much goes into savings, investments, and expenses. They automate everything, a fixed percentage into ETFs, a portion into real estate savings, a portion into emergency funds. The secret is structure, not discipline. When you automate your money, you remove emotion from the equation. The rich don't try to save. They design a system that makes saving automatic. Want to build wealth? Stop relying on willpower. Build a system that works even on your lazy days. Reason number 7. They ignore taxes, the hidden wealth killer. The more you earn, the more taxes eat up your wealth, unless you play smart. Most people focus on how to make money, not how to keep it. Wealthy people think differently. They use tax-efficient tools, like retirement accounts, index funds, and ETFs, to grow their portfolio while paying less in taxes. For example, investing in tax-efficient ETFs means you pay less in capital gains compared to frequent trading. Owning real estate can give you depreciation benefits. Think about it. Saving 20% on taxes is like getting a 20% return with zero risk. Tax planning isn't about loopholes, it's about strategy. The rich study tax laws the way others study Netflix recommendations, because they know it's not just about making more, it's about keeping more. When your income grows, your tax strategy must grow too. Otherwise, the government becomes your biggest business partner. Number 8. They try to impress instead of progress. Here's a truth most won't admit. People don't buy luxury to feel happy. They buy it to feel accepted. When income increases, so does the need to prove success to friends, family, or social media. But impressing others is a never-ending treadmill. You'll always find someone richer, flashier, or louder. Smart people play a different game. They buy freedom, not approval. They let compound interest, dividend income, and asset appreciation be their flex. The irony? The truly rich are often the quietest in the room. They're not showing off, they're showing up, with peace of mind and real ownership. Next time you're tempted to buy something just to look successful, ask yourself, would I still want this if nobody knew I had it? That single question can save you a lifetime of financial stress. Reason number 9. Motivation fades. Systems don't. Most broke people manage money emotionally. They save when they feel inspired and spend when they're stressed. That's not a strategy. That's gambling with your future. Rich people build systems. They automate investments, use budgeting apps, schedule portfolio reviews, and set rules for their money. They don't make financial decisions based on mood. They let automation handle it. For example, every time their paycheck hits, a fixed amount goes straight into ETFs or dividend stocks before they can touch it. It's called paying yourself first, and it's one of the simplest wealth hacks ever invented. Reason number 10. They live for now, not for freedom. Let's end with the hardest truth. Most people stay broke because they think too short term. They want comfort now, not security later. That's why they spend bonuses on vacations instead of investments. That's why they buy expensive gadgets but ignore their retirement portfolio. It's not lack of money, it's lack of vision. Wealthy people delay gratification. They understand that compound growth, whether it's in ETFs, stocks, or real estate, takes time to bloom. They're okay being broke today if it means being free tomorrow. The question isn't, can you afford it? It's, can your future afford it? Remember, compounding doesn't just work with money. It works with habits too. Every smart financial decision compounds into freedom. Every impulsive one compounds into regret. Your future self is watching. What story are you writing for them? In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If that sparked your interest, the next video will blow your mind. See you inside.